Waiting for your number. Waiting for your number.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my third time recording this video, and today I'm going to show you what I'm going to be packing for camp when I go to my church camp. So I hope you enjoy this video. The first thing I'm going to have is a blanket, of course, because it's going to be cold somewhere. I mean, it might be hot as you want it to be, but you might get cold. And I'm going to bring that blanket. Next thing you're going to need is sheets, and I need twin bed sheets because we're sleeping in twin cot. Another thing you're going to need are towels and washcloths because you got to be taking a shower, you got to wash yourself, and you got to dry off. Another thing you're going to need is a pillow. I don't really need a pillow because I don't really require one, and I could literally sleep on a marshmallow. So if you are the kind of person who needs a pillow, then bring a pillow. The next few things you're going to need are soap, a loofah, a razor, a dirty clothes bag, deodorant, and your toothbrush. You gotta have those. And also something to wash your face with because that is very important. Another thing that you have to have, it's not the most important, but it sure is up there, pads. Do not forget these. Please don't ever forget them. The next thing you're going to need is actual clothes. I mean, they're going to give us our clothes or our shirts to wear, but we have to have pants, so I just have these pants here. Another thing that also relates to clothes are night clothes because you're not going to be sleeping in the same clothes you wore all day. So I have just some shirts and these fluffy pants that I'm going to wear. One other thing that you have are shower shoes, flip-flops. I mean, you can't be putting your feet where everyone else has. Just saying, that's so nasty. Another thing you need is bug spray and sunscreen. So I have the sunscreen here, but you need bug spray. You need bug spray too. So you could bring medicine if you need it, and you have to turn it into the people, and then they would give it to you whenever you need it, and however much you need. And the most important thing out of them all, above everything else, is the Bible, since we're going to a church camp, so you gotta have your Bible, of course. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in another video.